Hey, what's up guys? Beat-Up coming at you here with another video, and today's video is going to be in regards to a much asked question with not the best of answers for those of you folks who have a 2022 Volkswagen Golf GTI, or if you have a Volkswagen in general and have this key fob here in particular. So let's go ahead and get the question answered. But first and foremost, I just wanted to say hello to those of you guys who are new to the channel. My name is Brittany, aka Beat-Up, and this channel is about everything auto. I have a major passion for cars, as you guys might already tell from my videos, and I love them to death. They're just so unique to me, kind of like animals, like how they're all different and they all have their own little personality, it seems like. But here's my ride. I have a 2022 Volkswagen Golf GTI. This is the Autobahn trim in the pomelo yellow clear coat. And one of my subscribers has the same color, which is really cool, same car, and he got a plaque. And I just wanted to let you know I also got a plaque sent to my house saying that I got one of the 700 of these babies that were made in the US in this color. So very, very, very cool. All right, guys, but let's go ahead and get on to this video. So the question a lot of you guys are asking in regards to this key fob is, why is my vehicle not doing the honk, like a small little honk, anytime I go to lock the door with fob? It just does the same thing as if you're unlocking it. It doesn't give you a confirmation tone. And I'm gonna go in here real quick and show you something real fast on the head unit, and then we'll get into how to do this. Okay guys, so here we are inside the cabin. I'm gonna go to settings here real quick. Let's pause our Beastie Boys. Okay, so first things first, folks, we'll just go ahead and go into vehicle. I'll show you from the main home screen, since some of you guys may not have your layout set up like I do. That to me is just the coolest layout I think ever, because you can get to everything all in once. So what we're gonna do is we are going to go to, you know, where it says your exterior. So you could scroll around and all that good stuff. Let me zoom in a little bit for you folks. You'll want to go to the third little bullet over where it says central locking. And then we have our keyless access. So I'm going to turn this off because I don't really like that feature. I mean, it's nice, but if I say walk away from my car, I don't know if it's going to self-lock again. Okay, so let's scroll down. So confirmation tone. You want that select, oops, excuse me. You want, everything's all haptic touch in this car too, by the way, guys. So you barely touch anything. And sorry, you barely touch anything. And then there's like stuff kind of, has a way of thinking you touched it sometimes when you didn't. I know there's a way to, like, check this out. My hand's not even touching the screen. Wave my hand, voila. There's a setting for that too, guys. If you want to know how to do that, I'll hook it up and show you how to do that too. Okay, so confirmation tone, that is set to on. Okay, now goodbye. So we're gonna exit, and let me show you something real quick. And the reason why I came in here first, guys, is just to show you, even with the confirmation tone on, you may be like, why is it not honking at me? It honks when you do this though. When you do it first, okay, it's not gonna honk. Do it a second time on keyless and go, yep, it honked. Let me unlock it and show you again with the key fob. Okay, click it once, doesn't honk. Click it twice, doesn't honk. You gotta do like 3 times. So let me show you again. 3rd time's a charm. It's more like, actually, not 3 times. It's more like 4 times, 4 or 5 times almost. But just keep in mind, guys, that's how you get it to do the beep, like just the confirmation horn to let you know that the doors are indeed locked. You have to click it numerous times on the key fob. It's not just like how my Volkswagen Beetle was. I had a year 2000 Beetle back in the day, you guys, and my Bug, it would honk the very first time I clicked the key fob, the lock button. This vehicle and other ones like the Jetta TDI, I know is not like that either. So you have to click this numerous times. There's nothing wrong with your car. Please don't take it to the dealership thinking that there's something wrong with it. It's just the way it is. It's kind of nice if you don't always want the honk, because it doesn't do it on the first time you click the door lock button. Same with upon clicking your keyless and go. Whenever you put your thumb here, it doesn't do it the first time. It takes like 2 times for that, and then 4 to 5 times for the fob. So that's a little bit about that, guys. I'm gonna check something out though too while I'm here outside with you guys, since it's so beautiful out today. I'm gonna see if we can get all the windows to roll down if I hold down the unlock button here. I'm just curious. Does it do it? Holding it down here. Held it down for 3 times, 3 clicks for like 10 seconds. And no, it's not doing that. So you may have to have the vehicle actually running. There we go. Yeah, you may have to have the vehicle actually running though, guys, for that to work. I just thought I'd test it out while we're here. Why not? Sometimes like videos, they can have a little bit of fails to them and stuff, but that's okay. It's like human. It shows that this is a real channel. I'm a genuine, real person at the end of the day. Not trying to sugarcoat anything for anyone. I always try to be straight to the point. So please let me know, guys, if you have any other questions. For those of you guys who have a Volkswagen, if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I hope you all have a great day. Until the next one, guys. Bye.